Everyone, it's Adele from Craig Lewis Arts. I'm just here to give you a quick video tutorial on how to make some remembrance poppies out of paper. You can use any kind of red paper or card, wrapping paper. If you haven't got any red paper, you can use old magazines or books. So what I've done with this one, I've took an old book, took a page out of it, painted it red, let it dry, and that's what I'm going to use. I've already made a few of the petals ready. I'm just going to show you how to make the last one and to assemble the whole thing. We're using a template at the moment, so we've got a petal template. So what we do, just pop him down on the paper, draw around him, all the way around. There we go. So then when you get your shape, use your scissors to cut him out. There's a little V at the bottom of the petal that you cut in, and that V gives you your petal shape when you do that with it. So do that, hold it with your thumb, and then just pull and bend around the edges of the petal to sort of give it a bit more shape. Pritt stick is probably the best glue you can use to do this. I think the Pritt stick is really good. You can use other glues, of course. It's just that this one's a bit less messy and it does the job really well. And you stick it down. Okay, so you've got your 5 petals. The next thing to do from there, you've glued them, and you put a bit of glue on the outside, and you stick the next petal on top, just like that. And then we lift all of these bits, curl them probably around the edge of your fingers, like that, so that they're all up in the air. Bit of glue on the bottom. Oh. Pop him in the middle. And then we just get the other black one and pop him on top. Now I have to try and get these bits off the bottom one sticking up. So there's your poppy. Now you could just go with that. And they've made little poppies. You could write a little message just on the edge, or on one of the petals, or we can turn them into wreaths. Now, to turn it into a remembrance wreath, you need a disc. So I use a piece of cardboard. You can use a plate as well. Cut the centre out for a plate, and then you end up with this. Paint it green, because obviously that'll be the leaves, and then you start making lots of poppies, and you go all the way around. So there we go. That's a quick and simple remembrance poppy that you can make from bits that you've got around the house. Quite easy and simple. Hope you enjoyed doing it, and see you again soon. Bye.